How to disable debug mode on WordPress with cPanel. In this tutorial, I will show you every step to disable debug mode on WordPress. Let's open the browser. On the browser, enter into your cPanel account. You can do that by going to your domain name /cPanel. Log into your cPanel. Now you are on your cPanel account. Click on File Manager. Now click on public_HTML. This is the folder where you usually have the files for your WordPress. If you have a different path, you can use that path. You will have multiple files. You will see there wp-config.php. Right-click the file. Select from the menu Edit. Click again Edit. On this editor, find on the bottom of the file the line I have here. Change from true to false. After that, save the file to make changes. Click on Save Changes. You can also disable to be sure the debug log and error display by adding 2 more lines like this. Let's add a line to disable the debug logger to the site. If the debug logger is enabled, then it will create a file on the server with all the error logs. Let's also add a line for turn off the display of all errors on the site. Let's save the file for the lines to be saved. These 2 lines are optional. After that, you can check if the debug logger is added to your site. The debug file will be located on wp-content. You see here there is a file called debug.log. You can delete this by right-clicking the file and select Delete. This is how you disable debug and turn off all errors showing on the WordPress site with cPanel account. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.